Hi, everyone. This is Lucky Aguirre, your mortgage lender. You might know that I moved to a broker environment a couple of months ago. I am learning so much and having so much fun with so many options. So, one of the advantages is that I have so many options for the buyers to provide a mortgage. I have access to over 200 banks or investors and all the programs from first time home buyer to hard money, fix and flip, and so on. Today, I wanted to share a little bit, understanding something that I discussed with most of the times with new buyers, right? And it's like what areas I look into to determine how much money or what is your buying power, how some people say, to buy a home, right? We look, and I can start with we look at the income, what income you have. If you're applying or you're applying with your spouse or a family member, if it's two people, so then I look at both incomes, right? And we use the gross amount in income, okay, before all the taxes, before all the benefits come out. I have an application with three buyers, so that's possible too. And then so we see what is the income that we have to be able to determine how much money we can lend, right? How much money that the bank that we pick that is best for you can lend you. Also, we're gonna look at the credit, right? A lot of people talk about credit everywhere. Credit is important to take care of your credit more than ever. The better your credit score, the better I can do for you. And there are some situations that, of course, being in the broker environment, I can provide better interest rate as well. Um, so there are some exceptions that I still can provide a better interest rate, even if your credit is not very high. But we look at the credit score. Also on the credit score, we look at what liabilities, like we call them liabilities, or what debts you have. It's important to see like what monthly payments you have. So the debts that we take in consideration is only those that shows in your credit report. And what I look is what are the monthly payments, right, from all those liabilities. We also look at what funds, what assets you have. So what funds you have available to buy a home, right? When we look at all of that, so we look at the income, we look at the credit score, we look at the credit, what debts you have, we look at um, the debt that you have in that credit, and we also look at what funds you have available to buy a home. We determine what is the max amount that we are able to approve you for a loan to buy a home, right? So all those different factors will determine, based on everything else. And based on the credit, the income, the assets, the funds, what are your monthly liabilities? And then that help us determine the max allow for you to purchase your home. We also going to I provide an estimate. So you will see what is the monthly payment, what taxes are estimated, what insurance are estimated, and how I got to that number. And then what will be a monthly payment for that purchase amount to make sure that you and your family, if you're buying a home with somebody else, are comfortable making that monthly payment is very important. So that's I wanted to give a basic idea. Those are like some ideas of what things we look at to determine that pre-approval. Okay. In about the funds, there are programs helping with down payment. There are programs helping with closing costs. I have seen now is happening a little bit more that sellers are helping with some concessions or with some closing costs. Reach out, ask, get in contact. Your realtor and I can help you navigate the whole process. And in addition of the program, sometimes, we're able to provide a credit as well to help you and to make that possible and make that process possible. If you have any questions, here, Lucky Aguirre, give me a call, 561-454-8444. I'll see you soon. Bye.